I'm attorney Donald Sienkiewicz of Estate Preservation and Planning in Amherst, New Hampshire. Today I'm going to explain how a Medicaid Irrevocable Trust protects your assets against recovery by the state if you need to spend several years in a nursing home. First, you should know that several Massachusetts and New Hampshire court cases since 2007 have given us lawyers very clear rules about how these trusts can and cannot work. If you or your parents have a pre-2016 trust, you should not assume it will work as planned, and you should have it reviewed by a lawyer who practices regularly in the areas of Medicaid and elder law. Second, let's review the two basic types of trust. Your common revocable estate planning trust, which is great for minimizing the Massachusetts estate tax, protecting your young children against early inheritance, and protecting your adult children against losing their inheritance to divorce or bankruptcy, does not protect your assets against people you owe money to, such as the nursing home that's caring for you. An irrevocable trust that you create during your life and fund with your own assets can protect those assets against people you owe money to, which we lawyers call your creditors. The most common creditor of middle and upper middle class seniors is a nursing home. Developers, contractors, doctors, lawyers, and other people in high-risk lines of businesses commonly face other types of creditors and use New Hampshire asset protection trusts. I'll talk about those in another video. So let's say you have a home or a rental property or a family camp or just a chunk of mutual funds you want to make sure your kids inherit, no matter how long you end up in a nursing home. You've got long-term care insurance, but you worry that you're underinsured and the premiums would be too high given your current health or family history of something like Alzheimer's. Or maybe you just can't get appropriate insurance because of that health history, or you've simply waited too long. You come see me, and we look at your income, assets, age, health, family and caregiver situation, and legacy goals, and calculate how much money you're able to conservatively put into a trust, and how much you should leave out to ensure you beat the 5-year look-back. Then we create the trust, you fund it with your chosen assets, and we start that 5-year clock ticking. There are typically not significant accounting or administrative costs associated with these types of irrevocable trust because we set them up as income-only grantor trusts. This means you get the income on any investments inside the trust, and you report that income on your personal tax return. My office charges about the cost of 1 month in a nursing home to set up a Medicaid irrevocable trust. If you spend 5 years in a nursing home at an average cost of $120,000 per year, that's $10,000 to save $590,000 for your loved ones. You can't get that kind of return in the stock market. To learn more about setting up a Medicaid Irrevocable Trust to protect your family's legacy, click the link that says 3 ways to start planning for my family today.